Welcome back to our channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today we are going to write a Java program to reverse an array. So before wasting the time, let's solve these problems. So first of all, what you have to do just need you just have to create the array element where you have to store the values which you have to reverse it. Okay. So end ARR of the symbol of array, then name of the array is ARR or the dimensions is equal to the curly braces. Inside of this curly braces, you have to mention whatever you have to mention here. 24, 77, 88, 88, 55, 50, 60, let's take 100 here over here. Then end with semicolon. These are the values have in the ARR element, that is a 5, 24, 77, 88, 50, 60, and 100 over here. What you have to do, you just have to uh, reverse here to 100, 100, then 60, then 50, then 88, then 77, then 24, 24, and then 5. So just reverse in this manner. So let's implement this. So implementing this, you have to remember these swapping programs that easy for you to solving this approach. So let's take two variables. First, int start, okay, is equal to 0. The why the start is equal to 0? This is the index values inside of a start. Sorry, it's not a start. It means the our array is starting from the zero, always starting from the zero. That is why the int start is equal to 0. Next variables which we needed is end. The end variables have a array arr dot length minus 1. It means the index values which is stored inside this end is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is stored inside of this and variables here and variables here. So just come here, come down, take a while start less than of end. Okay, this is the our conditions. While start less than of end. Why the T is not working? Yeah. Okay, now it's then int temporary variables which have to use to swap the our variables one by one. Okay, so int temp is equal to arr of start here. That means the index values which is present inside of arr, it's come inside of temp variables. Inside of temp variable, what we have in the initially is a 0 index. Then take arr of start is equal to is equal to ARR of end. ARR of end. It means the values which is present in the end, like 100, it should come inside of the place of the start. Place of the start. The whatever the values in the start index is like 5, it's coming inside of the temp variables here. That means the ARR of start here is having the values is 0. That is why the ARR start is equal to ARR of end. The whatever the values is present in the end, it should come inside of the start variables. Then, then ARR of end is equal to 10. 10. That means whatever the values is so present in the temp, it should be coming in the end. That so let me take the comment out here. So what is the values inside of the start is a 5, which is coming inside of temp in the first iteration. That means in the temp, what we have a 5. Then and ARR what we have is 0 now. That is why the ARR start is equal to ARR of end. Means the values inside of a star is ARR of end. And what we have a 100. So what is the value in the percent of index 1? In the start index 1, what we have a 100 over here. Now, now let's come to the next line. Now ARR end is equal to temp. Means what we have in the temp is a 5. In the temp, what we have a 5. That 5 should come inside of this end. So end what we have here is a 5 over here. This is the way of our logic is working in the every iterations. And then come here, what we have to do is start plus plus because it should be iterated in one by one in every iterations. And end minus minus. End minus minus. That is why the every iterations what do we have a end is a the first end is a 6 here. The second end is a minus minus means iteration is decreases that is why is 5. Then end is 4. Then end is 3. Then end is 2 over here. So this is way of this program is uh, solving the problems like reverse your element. Then come out this while loop and you just have to print the your reverse array. So you just need a for each loop also or for loop as well. So let's take for each int take a number or let's take reverse reverse is equal to ARR. So whatever the element is present in the ARR, it's come here and then sys out ARR, sorry, reverse over here and let's run it and see we will getting the 100, 60, 50, 88, 77, 24 and 5. You might be getting confused here. So let me understand you. You just have to not here, just right here reverse and here plus plus space over here and make sure it should be a print statement here. Print statement here. Now it should be printing in the one line with the space. See 100, 60, 50, 88 and 77, 24 and 5. Our program is working fine. But what we want in the question is to reverse an array and here it's exactly reversing our array like this here. Let's run it again and check it. See 100, 60, 50, 88, 77, 24 and 5. More clear, we just write the reverse rev e reverse control brand uh, uh, let's come here rev reverse array is now run it again and see we will getting the oh so every time is printing the value of the reverse array. So don't worry about it, just remove it and take it as it is and run it again. Yeah, we will getting the 100, 60, 50, 88, 77 and 24 and 5. That's all about in this video. Thank you for watching. Coding pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.